Nag-radio challenge na naman itong weekend ang Philippine Coast Guard or PCG sa umaaligid na monster ship ng China sa Zambales coastline. Base sa report, unti-unti na itong lumayo sa Zambales ngayon. Yun nga lang, pinalitan naman daw ng panibagong barko. Kaugnay po yan, makakausap natin si Commodore J. Tariela, ang spokesperson ng PCG for the West Philippine Sea. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo, Commodore.
Magandang tanghali sa iyo at sa iyong mga taga-subaybay.
Commodore, hingi na lang po kami ng update sa inyo dun sa sitwasyon sa Zambales. Nasaan na po ba ang monster ship ngayon at ano po ba yung pinalit na barko doon?
Well, ang China Coast Guard vessel, as what we have reported yesterday, ay umalis na sa lumayo na in those areas na for so many days kanyang iniikutan. As of this morning around 10 a.m., ang China Coast Guard 5901 is monitored and located at an approximate distance of 101 nautical miles away from Pundakit, Zambales. Ito na ay napalitan ng China Coast Guard 3304 na mayroong distance na 60.4 nautical miles away from the coastline of Zambales.
So, ano naman po yung ginagawa nito ngayon, nitong pumalit, nung CCG 3304?
Well, the China Coast Guard 3304 is doing the same thing, It is doing this erratic movement, going up and down and maintaining a distance between 60 to 70 nautical miles away from the coastline of Zambales.
Ano po ba ang basa po ninyo dito, Commodore, sa ginagawang ito ng China? Sa pahayag po kasi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry nila, ang Pilipinas daw ay nagko-commit ng infringement, provocation at hyping ng ating mga sitwasyon dyan sa West Philippine Sea.
Well, this is the main objective of the Chinese government. They want to normalize the illegal deployment of China Coast Guard vessels off the coast of Zambales. That's why it's important for us, for the Philippine Coast Guard, to challenge this and expose itong presensya ng China Coast Guard na to for the public and the international community to learn that the Philippine government is not allowing the Chinese government to intrude within our own exclusive economic zone and that they are blatantly violating the international law.
So sa ngayon po, ano po yung aksyon na maaaring gawin muli ng PCG aside po dun sa mga radio challenges na ginagawa po natin?
Well, as far as the Coast Guard is concerned, we just have to make sure that documented pa rin natin ang paggalaw ng China Coast Guard dito, monitored pa rin natin, and every hour in between is to have constant radio challenges dito sa China Coast Guard. For them to learn that we're not allowing them to legitimize itong illegal deployment nila dito sa 60 nautical miles of the coast of Zambales.
Commodore, recently po, just last week, nagkaroon po ng BCM or bilateral consultation meeting between the Philippines and China. At kasama daw po doon, base po sa mga report, na napagkasunduan na yung continuation lamang ng RORI missions natin. Ito po ba ay exclusive lamang itong RORI mission natin sa mga food and supplies ng ating mga sundalo doon sa BRP Sierra Madre? O meron din po tayo, pwede din tayo magdala ng mga construction materials?
Well, I'm not really privy about the details of the content nitong provisional understanding na to, because as I said, the resupply mission in Ayungin Shoal, particularly to our soldiers on board BRP Sierra Madre, is a purely AFP military operation. And the Coast Guard is only asked to support and provide assistance. So as to the details, I'm sorry, but I don't have enough knowledge about such agreement.
Meron din po ba tayo mga iba pang update tungkol naman po sa mga fishermen natin doon na nahaharas sa mga CCG?
Well, ang Philippine Coast Guard, the main objective why Admiral Ronnie Hilgavant has decided to immediately deploy the Philippine Coast Guard vessel Teresa Magban way back in last January 4, is to make sure na ang ating mga mines ng Pilipino ay malaya pa rin makakapangista sa Bataan, Zambales, at siguraduhin na sila ay ligtas sa harassment ng China Coast Guard kung maaari mang gawin nila ito. So as far as the Coast Guard is concerned, it's not just the monitoring of the Chinese Coast Guard ang ginagawa natin dito. we're also safeguarding the safety and security of
Right.
our Filipino fishermen.
Alright, maraming salamat po muli sa inyong oras. That was Commodore J. Tariela, ang spokesperson ng PCG for the West Philippine Sea.